Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another Quince try-on haul, and we have lots of linen for summertime. So if you guys aren't new here, you know I'm obsessed with Quince, and I think you guys are too, okay? So I want to share with you what I picked up. I picked up a lot of linen pieces. I didn't do a haul last month. This is very collective though. I would say this is over the past like month, 2 months-ish. So yeah, let's get into it. I got some good stuff. As always, I'll have everything linked in the description box down below or on the YouTube shop button, whatever you prefer to shop through. But I am gonna start with accessories first. I got an accessory. No, this is not my first bag. This is my second bag from Quince. I have one of their suede ones, but love that they come in a little dust bag. I wanted to get a little black kind of woven clutch kind of thing like this. I just felt like my wardrobe was missing like a nicer purse, because I don't really wear purses a ton. This is cool because it's got 2 zippers in it. I have yet to wear this, but it has a crossbody strap as well. I've used it to like style in a Pinterest video, but I haven't worn it out of the house just yet. I haven't had anything to wear it to, but it's very nice. It's got this woven, it's actually woven in there. It is leather. It smells amazing. It comes in 3 different colors as well, but I really just felt like I did not have a good, like, going out dressier sort of bag, because you guys know I'm not a big purse girl at all, but I thought this would be a great one to add to my collection. Okay, let's talk intimates. So I had shown in my like last one, I think, that I picked up these undies, and honestly I wanted to just update you on them. I don't love them, okay? Not a big fan. They're just a little tight, little whatever. I did get those in a medium, and I decided to try these, and I got these in a medium, which I should have done a small. These are like a replica, dupe, whatever you will, of the Skims one. These are so stretchy, like you could go to your smaller size for sure, and just incredible. I love these so much. They are like the ones that I like gravitate towards wearing, even though they're too big. Not like too big falling off me big, just like I could have gone with a smaller size. So I'm going to throw away all of my old underwear and strictly buy these. I love them, they're comfortable, and they go with everything. And then speaking of Skims, I love their bralettes so much that I was like, hey, let me just try Quince and see, because I've had the bralettes that I have 2 of them from Skims. I've had them for, you guys, probably 3 years, at least 2. No, probably 3. Anyway, I wanted to try the Quince version of it. I will say it fits very similar to the Skims one, but it's not as soft as the Skim one. It's a little like, I don't know. The material is different on this part. The material on the undies is more similar to the bralettes of Skims, but this is just a little bit different. It's not like anything where once it's on my body I notice it different, but it just feels different. So keep that in mind. It's like not as buttery soft. It's still soft and super stretchy. And I love these things. They're just easy to throw on under white tees, tank tops, anything like that, where you just want something, but you don't want a full underwire bra on. These have been great. I've worn them for years, and I'm excited that Quince has a more affordable option. They also have the triangle one, which I think I'm gonna try next, but I just grabbed the scoop one. And again, not exact, but very, very good. Okay, let's move on to clothes. I got this button up that I'm wearing right now. I think this is so different because it's got like multiple different stripes in it, and I really enjoyed it. I know I have so many button-ups. If you haven't seen my button-up collection video, I'll throw it up in the cards. I have so many, okay? I'm obsessed with them. So every button-up looks different to me because I have so many, and I love them all so much for their different purposes. But I thought this one was more bold, more masculine, kind of cool, and I'm happy that I picked it up, and it looks great with white linen shorts, which is what I'm wearing with now. The next one I picked up, I'm like slowly building more of my Quince button-up collection. I feel like it's now a place that I love, and they have some really cool, unique colors like this one. I feel like this is kind of like a periwinkle, I don't know, blue. It's like the most interesting blue I've really ever seen. I have something on the collar from the last time I wore it, but I need to wash that. But it is so good. I get all of my button-ups in a size large. They are cotton, which is so nice. They're very breathable, very lightweight, but still have a good structure and weight to them, which is so important with button-ups, because cheap button-ups feel cheap and don't hold their shape and their weight. And I can't say enough good things about the Quince. I have navy, I have this, I have the blue, I have another navy one that I've cut, and I kind of want more. So I'm so happy that I have this, but this one was so unique I could justify it. I thought it was fun with the blue, and again, I wear so many button-ups that it just makes sense in my wardrobe. I wear them undone with tank tops underneath. I wear them fully buttoned up. I wear them in the spring, summer, winter, fall, all of it. They're just such a big closet staple for me. So excited that I found some new ones that I liked in different patterns that I didn't already have in my collection. Oh, these allergies are making my nose so itchy. Okay. Next up, I actually grabbed this. This was kind of like something I had seen on a bunch of people on Pinterest, and I was like, I really don't have like a little V-neck sweater, and I thought something lightweight like this would still be good for summer, especially summer nights when you just want something to throw on if it gets a little cooler or if you're going to a restaurant. So I thought this was kind of cute over like a white tee. I liked that layering look. I did get this in an extra large because I wanted it to be so big, but it is just a gray basic. I feel like I just didn't have something in my wardrobe with this. I think this looks great on its own. It looks great with something layered underneath it, and it's just big. It's oversized, but intentionally oversized. This is so soft. I want to say this is cashmere. I could be wrong. Let me check. No, this one is cotton, but it is mostly, this one, it has cashmere in it, but it's mostly cotton. But it's just a very nice, thin, lightweight, but really like nice looking. This looks like something you would get at Banana Republic or J. Crew. Big fan. I grabbed this. I actually ordered this, if you saw my last video, I think I mentioned it. I ordered it in white. They accidentally sent me it in black, but I was like, hey, I like this too. So maybe I need both. I don't know. Okay, you guys. But I love this. This is a good little poplin skirt. I have been loving black on black. It's my go-to when I go out for dinner or anything like that. This with a black tank or a black t-shirt, so cute. Or even with white. Love black and white for the spring, summer as well. So just a great basic poplin. Has same material as like a button up, and it has pockets, and it's got a stretchy waistband. If you do not want this to sit like low on your hips, go down at least a size, if not 2 sizes, because it is quite large. I'm typically a medium in Quince's bottoms. This is an extra small, and it sits on my hips, but it also can sit, or it sits on my waist, but it can also sit on my hips, and it's not too big. It's got a good, like, forgiving, stretchy waistband. All right, let's move in. Let's finish this one last thing, and then we'll go into dress. Oh, we have 2 more tops. I lied, 2 more tops. Okay, the sweater. Okay, I have this sweater in the navy and white striped, and when I saw this, I was like, oh, I kind of need this. It's so good. Okay, this looks so cute with white bottoms. It's just very coastal, very comfy, very just like, I love. Again, yes, it's warm in the spring and summer here in Dallas. It's like ridiculous, but it gets cold in restaurants, and it's nice to have something like this. Throw it over the shoulder, or even wear it still. We're having some transitional weather. I say that, but it's gonna be 100 on Wednesday, but nonetheless, perfect cotton, nicely weighted. This feels like something you would get at Gap for like $80 to $90. It is so good. Okay, this, when I saw this, I was like, first, I was like, I love. Second, I was like, is it too long? Third, I was like, I need it. So I grabbed it. I got this in a small, which typically I do not order button front shirts that are meant like this in small because I have a larger chest, but this fits perfectly. I love the button detailing. This is a linen, like, tailored vest type of thing, which I feel like from some places can be so expensive and not good quality, and this is double lined, so not see-through. Love the color of the buttons. It's like a cool pop. It is long. It is a longer line top, which I actually really enjoy. It covers and goes great with their linen white shorts that they have, and then it has a little tie in the back that you can kind of cinch together and make it look tighter. This would also look great with jeans. I think longer line tops are going to make a comeback, and I just love this. I love the big pockets in the front, but I just think this is literally perfection. Is it 100% linen? Let's see. Yes, it is 100% linen, and so good. So good. Just don't dry this if you don't want it to shrink, because linen shrinks like crazy. Okay, then I got 3 linen white dresses, okay? Yeah, I'm trying to be a dress girl, okay? It's just, it's gonna happen. This is the summer that I just fully embrace dresses. But I do, something that you will not pry from my hands is a good shift dress. I love a shift dress. I actually own something similar to this from Target in black, and when I saw they have a white one, I was like, yes, okay. I also own 2 of their linen dresses that are like spanny straps, which are also amazing. I own it in black and in white, and I wear them often. This is just a perfect high neck, little clasp in the back. white linen dress, double lined, pockets, stunning. Looks great with sneakers, sandals, Birkenstocks, heels. Looks good with everything. It is the perfect white linen dress that's a little more full coverage. Love. Speaking of full coverage though, I wanted to try their strapless maxi in linen as well. And now linen is so difficult because it wrinkles so easily, but you know what? I think that's kind of the beauty of linen. It's just perfectly unperfect. I don't know, I love it. Okay, so I got their little strapless one. Has a little rubber band, like grippy at the top with some bunging and then a zipper and then a hook and eye to get in the back. This is again, double lined all the way to the floor. I hate when you see a linen dress and it like only is lined to like below like what a mini dress would be, and then that's a maxi dress. That looks so terrible. So I love that this goes all the way to the full length of the dress. It is double lined, has pockets, is so cute. It is a maxi. It is stunning. It is beautiful. If you want this to fit more body fitting, I would go down a size. I got mine in a small. If you want it to be more form fitting, I would go to your smaller size or size down one. It is pretty like roomy, but I like that about this. I don't want anything hugging my body, especially in the summer, especially linen. I want it to just flow off my body, and this is stunning. They also have this in like a striped blue and white, but it's always sold out on the site. So if I end up wearing that, maybe I will pull the trigger on that. But the next dress I feel like I could see myself wearing a ton is a little like button-up t-shirt style dress. I saw this on an Instagram ad and it got me, okay? I love this little neckline. I think it's so cute. It has a spot at the waist to put their tie through, but it's kind of like a midi, not full maxi, and it's got buttons, which I think is really cute because you can kind of unbutton for a little more like, you know, sassy look to you, or go fully buttoned up for more conservative. So cute. I feel like, again, just a basic, great staple, white linen, again, not see-through. The sleeves, I will say, if you have like larger shoulders, you might want to size up, because I felt like the sleeves were borderline a little like snug fitting. The rest of the dress, no, which again is surprising for me because buttons like this typically tend to pucker on me because I do have a larger chest. And if that happens, I just wear a bralette instead of an actual bra because I feel like it compresses them a bit more. But again, I grabbed this in a small and I just think this is great. Pockets, perfect. Just like one of those dresses that you will have in your wardrobe forever. And with linen, it almost gets better the more you wash and wear linen. It just becomes more comfortable and lived in. And yeah, anyways, that is it, you guys. Not a crazy long haul, but just some cute things that I've picked up over the past like month or so. We are going to start shifting more into like spending more money on home stuff since we do close on our house in a week and a half, which is crazy to think about. So I'm going to be using Quince for a lot of their like bedding. I already have a bed picked out for the guest bedroom from there, which I've never tried any of their furniture. So I'm super excited. If you've tried any, let me know. I also just picked out a silverware set from them. They have so much, like it's kind of incredible. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll have all the details in the description box down below. And let me know what your favorite piece was, or what piece have you tried from the website that you haven't seen me and you're like, girl, why have you not tried this? Let me know. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.